Is of my FOStat Agriculture Data Explorer, which is my app name. Access the agriculture stats from UN Food and Agriculture Organization. With the help of this app, you can grab the total data from 1961 to 2025 from all over the world, including 6 regions and their countries. Now go to the sidebar. Here is the filter which I used in my app. From this, you can select the domain, which domain you want to data. For example, production, trade, food security, prices, and emission. For example, I used the production. The center use the metric, which metric you want, yearly, year harvested, or a production. For example, I use the production. Commodity type, like if you want the data crop related data or livestock related data. The whole thing which is used, I just code in my Python app, which is I also describe you in my GitHub repository. For example, if you click on crops, you can select the wheat, rice, soybeans, and for example coffee. And this this data. If you click on the livestock, you can see beef, poultry, milk, egg, sheep, pork, and this type of data. For example, I go in here and select the rice data. Then I have to select the region, which region I want to. For example, American, Asian, European region, Africa, Middle East, which region I just want to see the data. For example, if I go to Asia, then I have to select the country. For example, I just select the Pakistan because I am from Pakistan, gentlemen. Then I have to select the data range, which data range I want to see the data. For example, 20. You can select from 1961 to 2025. From this range, you can select, for example, I use 1961 to 2025. Here are about the FAO stats and which is used helpful for this. Agriculture production, trade outflow, food security, and climate impact. Here, and here all about this. Here is my app. For example, after selecting all of these, I just find the data, and here you guys. Within less than 1 second, you can see the first year. In 1961, first year, how much ton they produce the rice, and the last year and the timed over the period. For example, the 128% they just change over the period. Here you can just see the data. 1961 value of data and unit in tons estimated. Here is estimated, and the second one is official value. Country Pakistan, item rice, domain production, and metric is also production. If you select here, you can also download it into CSV file. You can also search it here, and you by selecting here you can also see on a big screen. If you go here, you can also the time series analysis 1961 to 2025. You can see the difference, and here is the metric ton. You can totally see the differences over the period, the change of the app. Statistical insights. Here you can see the statistical mean, median, standard deviation, and 25-50% and maximum, whatever you want. It's good for the statistical analysis. Annual changes. Here you can see the annual changes. For example, in 1962 plus 2% the changes, then 1.96, 1.92. Here you can download the data into CSV file and download the chart as a PNG. You can guys, totally it is open source app, and I just made this with the help of Python library and everything. Now I'll tell you from which person you use for policymaker, for student, for researcher, and for who want to make for example upload the data on Kaggle. Kaggle, GitHub repository, and everyone who want the data. Because in the era of machine learning and AI, the basic need of human is a data.